YouTube, this is Abdul Car Fix. This is 2006 Hummer HD3 with the blower motor that's not working. At first we checked the resistor. These resistors common to go bad or the harness get burned. This is fine. We checked also the this is the relay for it. It's under here if you wonder where it is. And this is the new one, and the old one's still in there. I can show you exactly what you need to do. Number one, take the 3 bolts that holds the glove box. 1, 2, 3. 3 bolts. You take the glove box out. Then you got a bolt right here, 7 mil. All of those 7 mil as well. Then you take a 10 mil right here. You take it out. Take the cover panel, the one that goes in here. It's right in here. Gives you easy access to the bottom bolt. So I got already 3 out, and I have 1 left. It's in here for the fan. And the reason why we taking this bolt out, this way we can get a wiggle room. When you can pull on this and give yourself a wiggle room to pull that fan out. You have 4 bolts on this fan, guys. The fan is positioned in there that way. Okay, that way. 2 bolts on top, 2 bolts on the bottom. Okay, so one of the bolts actually holds the your resistor here. So that holds the fan and resistor. It works for both. But anyway, so 4 bolts, and there's access from here for that bolt. And one here is easy. The one right here, it's symbol. Okay, use a 1/4. That's why I use 1/4 and a 1/4 socket, 1/4-inch socket. Okay, to pull these 4 bolts out. Once you pull it out, you need to pull this as hard as you can and drop the fan. The fan is already loose. It's about to come out once I get that bolt out. And reverse the process. I did take those harnesses out, and they are marked, guys. So just, you know, they are the same, but this one does not have a black dot, but the other one does. See that one? So they go here. So they are the same harness, but they are marked. So just, you know, you take the harness, you release those guys in here, and that should give you a better access under here to pull it out. And just make sure you tug it out when you pull the fan, and you should be good from there. You'll be able to put the new fan in. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. Thank you for watching my video.